Hey scientists, in case you wanted to build what we were doing in class, I'm going to show you that right now. So the most important things you're going to need are some type of magnet. I have two because I want them to be nice and powerful, two magnets. But any old magnet you have, maybe one that's on your refrigerator, right? Or a couple from your refrigerator, just whatever you have at home. The other thing that you're going to need is a paper clip. Got a paper clip right here. And most paper clips are magnetic, but just in case, test it out first. Make sure that it sticks to your magnet. Then, if you have it, you want to get a piece of string and you want to tie the string to your paper clip. I don't have any string, so I decided I would improvise. I would use what I have at home. So I took a little bit of tape, and instead of string, I have this nice long length of paper. And I just taped my paper to my paper clip. So you can kind of see that's my paper clip right there. So now I took a box. This is just a crackers box. And I left the bottom on, I left the sides on, I left the back and the top on, but I cut out a really big window right here. My window's not perfect, but I'm not going to sweat it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to take my magnets, and I'm going to put them right up there. And I'm going to come and I'm going to take my little, and before I do this, I'm going to show you, this does not stand up straight, right? This is not a stiff piece of paper where it would just stand up on its own. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to stick it right underneath there. And right now, we're all familiar with that, right? It's stuck to the bottom because of the magnetic field, right? It's being attracted to that magnet. But I'm going to turn it around so it's easier for us to see. There we go. I'm going to pull it down. And look at that, it's levitating. So it looks like it's floating. I can bring it back up. Kind of feels like I have a little balloon. And I can pull it down. But I can't pull it too far down because the magnetic field from these magnets only extends so far. So I'm going to pull it down, and then all of a sudden, it's going to lose its oh, there we go. It lost it somewhere right around there. Let's try that again. I'm going to put it right up there. I'm going to pull it down really slowly. Pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. Now, okay, we're going to try this with just one magnet. Let's see if the magnetic field, that pull, that is going to be as strong. So I'm going to start by putting it right there, right underneath. Now it's like my little balloon. And I'm going to start to gently pull it down. And look at it, it's definitely levitating. It's because that magnetic attraction is overcoming gravity. It's strong enough right now, this is close enough to the magnet, that the magnetic field is strong enough that it's going to overcome gravity. But the farther I pull it away, there we go. Now that seemed almost as good as the other one. I'm going to pull it down a little bit more. Oh, there we go. You could try this with different types of magnets. You can try this with different types of objects. And if you really wanted, you could even have a piece of tape and you could try pulling it down a little bit and then taping it. And then watch, it would stay right on its own. So if you'd like to try this at home, make sure you ask your grown-ups before you just start grabbing things. But I made this from just recycling and stuff that I had lying around. And if you would like to watch some more cool videos about magnetic levitation, about magnetic levitating trains and other fun things, click on the links down below. More fun stuff if you want to learn more about magnetic levitation. So, links down below. Bye-bye!